Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Walgreens heating pad is showing a blinking red or green light and not heating the way it normally should, the indicator is usually signaling that the unit has detected something that needs attention. In some cases, the issue may be related to the controller connection, power supply, safety protection system, or an interruption during startup. A flashing light doesn't always mean the Walgreens heating pad is defective, and there are several simple checks you can perform before considering a replacement. In this video, we'll go through a few troubleshooting steps that may help clear the blinking light and restore normal operation on your Walgreens heating pad. Try these. Step 1. Unplug the Walgreens heating pad from power. Step 2. Check the controller connection on the Walgreens heating pad. Step 3. Inspect the cord of the Walgreens heating pad. Step 4. Reconnect the Walgreens heating pad securely. Step 5. Restart the Walgreens heating pad. Step 6. Check if the blinking light on the Walgreens heating pad stops.